What's up, gang? Welcome to another GNCRC video. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about the 124th RC four-wheel drive Trailfinder 2. I got a package from those guys. So I'm going to open this, and if it is what I think it is, I'm going to tell you guys a little story. Is what I thought it was. All right, so we have gears for the diff, another receiver unit, also have another motor. So what actually happened, guys, was at some point this particular motor, it just burned completely up. They actually gave me the whole transmission and all. It actually burned completely up. I had an issue with the gears, and from what I can tell, this went out also because I could smell it. It had a bad smell. Now, what I did was I emailed them and told them what I had going on, and they immediately told me they were going to take care of the problem, which wasn't a big deal because this was a big deal, the gears. But the rest of it wasn't a big deal because you guys know I already upgraded to the Lizard Pro, and I'm using my own radio. But for me, this is important to have. Not so much this, but this is definitely important to have because if I did decide to give this away or sell it or whatever the case might be, I can go back to the stock setup. So that's why this was really important. Now the gears, spin the rear diff. You can hear the gears just grinding in the inside. Go so far in the grind. So we definitely got a problem in the inside. That may be what burnt my ESC and the motor, trying to turn that. It goes so far, grinds. They were making a real bad sound. So I want to thank the guys over at RC four-wheel drive for sending out these parts. And I just wanted to tell you guys that because anytime you get a new vehicle and you have a problem out of one of your rigs or whatever the case might be, always reach out to the company before you just start bashing them and let them know what's going on. And most of the time, if they got a real good reputation, they're going to go ahead and try to fix that problem for you. So, you know, just reach out to the company first. Always reach out to the company. Give them a few days, email them, give them a few days. If they don't respond, maybe email them one more time. You always try to work with them first. Because most companies I ever dealt with on anything, they always rectify the problem. I never had any issues with a company not rectifying whatever issues that I may have had. And while I got you guys on here, I had a couple people ask me how the magnets were holding up. So I'm just going to go over that again and let them see. No problems at all. When I do put my shoe glue in there, I kind of put it a little layer over the top of the magnets also, because these magnets are real strong, so they're not going anywhere. And you'll see where I got it around the edges of the magnet also. Now I did go back and I took off the, I guess the shock tower bracket, but I took them off and I did put these, I lowered it so I could lower the body, because I did put different springs on it. But they're actually holding up real well. They're still holding up real well. No issues whatsoever. And I really don't think I'm gonna have any issues. Shoe glue is pretty strong. And that's pretty much it on this video, guys. Just wanted to share that with you and share the parts. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.